All right, welcome everyone. So we've got a super quick Honda Trail 125 maintenance video today. You might recall a little while ago, I passed the 600-mile service interval, I did an oil change, and I did a valve clearance check. The last thing that I need to do is do an adjustment on the semi-auto clutch. Now I know some of you are already thinking, why did you do a valve clearance check? The owner's manual says you don't have to do that until 4,000 miles. So I suppose my answer is that I was just being extra vigilant and I wanted to get in there and check the clearances early. I know on the Himalayan, you have to do a valve check at 300 miles. So I just wanted to get in there and see, plus it was good practice for me. Now for the job today in adjusting the semi-auto clutch, it's literally gonna take less than 2 minutes and only require 2 tools. Now I got my hands on the service manual instructions for this step, and it's literally 3 steps. So we're gonna walk through it right now and show you how to adjust the semi-auto clutch on your Honda Trail 125. All right, so the first step is really quite simple. On the right side of the engine, you wanna locate this lock nut and notate the orientation of the inner screw. So I've made a small pencil mark right there, roughly marking the orientation of that screw. Next, you want to loosen this lock nut with a 14 mil wrench. Now for the next step, the instructions tell us to rotate the inner screw using a flathead screwdriver exactly 1 full turn clockwise. So let's do that. Then for the next step, it tells us to slowly turn the adjuster back counterclockwise until resistance is felt. So we're going to slowly turn it backwards till we get some resistance. I'd say right about there. It's not wanting to move with just a little bit of adjustment. Now the final step says, from this point, turn the adjuster clockwise 1/8 of a turn and then tighten the lock nut to the specified torque, which is 12 Newton meters. So 1/8 of a turn from where it is right there is about right there or so, which is a little bit different from where it was initially. So now I'm going to tighten this. I do have my torque wrench and I've got it set to 12 Newton meters. So let's go ahead and tighten that down. Perfect. So it is a little bit different than it was initially. Last step is to go out and give it a test ride. All right, let's see how she rolls. Well, seems like it's shifting beautifully. Nice and smooth. It does seem like it's slightly improved. I'll take it. It's downshift. Ooh, that is smooth, like butter. Let's downshift. Yep, looks good. Into neutral, back up. Shifting beautifully. Yep, she feels good. All right, well that's gonna do it. A super quick little maintenance video for you. Hopefully it was helpful. As you saw, it was a very simple little job, and it did actually improve the shifting, albeit only slightly. So that's it. Take care, be safe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.